What are cut lines in Cricut Design Space, and how do you use them? Cut lines are lines that you use to make a design look full when engraving, foiling, or drawing with your Cricut. When you create text in Design Space, it looks full because the function is automatically set to basic cut. When you change the operation to engrave, foil, or draw, the text appears hollow. This is because your machine is using the outline to cut your image. When you add cut lines in the middle of your text, the machine will now cut those lines so that the text appears full instead of hollow. The more lines you have, the more full it will look. Keep in mind, the more lines you have in your design, the longer it will take your machine to cut. You can either purchase cut lines or create your own. To use them once you have them in your canvas, just move your text on top, select all and use the slice tool. Depending on how many lines you have, it might take a moment for Design Space to slice them. Zoom back out and move each one over to see them better. When you zoom in, you're able to see the cut lines in the middle of your text. Choose the text that has the outline as well as cut lines through the middle. You'll notice the other two don't have an outline around them. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to see our upcoming Cricut phone and iPad tutorials.